Hey lovely people, so today we'll be learning how to make this very delicious steaming hot okpa. If you grew up in the East, you should know this is a delicacy that everybody needs to try. So welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Christy. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. If this is the first time here, please do well to click on the subscribe button. You're welcome to join the family. So for this recipe, we'll be needing some okpa flour. Okpa in English is bambara nuts. That's the picture up there. You'll be needing some palm oil, lots of it, some salt to taste, and some scotch bonnet pepper, as much as you can handle. So let's begin. You get your bambara nut flour, that's your okpa flour, and you add your palm oil. Add your palm oil, about a cup of palm oil, not too little, not too much, just enough to give it the color and to bind it as you are mixing. After adding your palm oil, you begin to mix. It's best mixed with the hand. This is like the traditional way of doing it. You mix it with your hand so you can get that incorporated well into it. You keep mixing and mixing till you get this consistency, something you can mold with your hand like this. Yeah, just like that. So mixture of the flour and the palm oil is ready. We'll now proceed to add some water, lukewarm water please. A mixture of cold and hot water, not too cold, not too hot. So please, this is where the work is. This is where the trick is. You don't just pour the water like that. You start adding it little by little and giving it a nice mix with your hands. Small. If you miss it at this step, you've missed your okpa. So pay attention here. You keep adding that water little by little and keep giving that a very good mix with your hand. Okay, this process is the okpa making process. This process will take you about 30 minutes or so to get it done. Okay, you need a lot of patience here. You keep doing that till you get this very smooth consistency, no lump. Okay, you keep doing that till you get this very smooth consistency, but then this is still very thick for the okpa. If you tie your okpa like that, it's going to come out real very hard. So when you've gotten that smooth consistency, you keep adding the water. Keep adding water till you have a very watery consistency. When you lift it up, the water should be able to drop from your hand. Very watery, just like that. So your okpa will not be too hard when it's done. Then you add your salt to taste. Let it be a bit little salty, because of the dry flour. Then this is it. You smash your peppers and add there. Then at this point, we'll not be using our hands anymore because of course pepper is too hot. So you give that a nice stir using a spoon. Then you begin to tie in your packaging bag. I'm using a Santana nylon. You scoop that into the nylon. Make sure you always stir before scooping in, okay? So you don't have some tettiments under your mixture. You scoop that and then you tie it. When tying, there's also an expertise in this. You don't tie it too tight. Make sure to leave some space in your nylon as you are tying that. You can see the space in between the okpa. That's empty space there. Let it be as free as this so it doesn't blow off in the fire when you are cooking, when it's boiling. So repeat the process for all your mixture till it is done. Then now get a pot with water and put it on the fire and bring to a boil. After boiling, you begin to put your tied okpa inside. You don't just put directly. Make sure you shake thoroughly like this before putting in. Cover to cook. This is after an hour. You should cook your okpa for at least 1 hour. So this is it. It's now ready to be served. You can now serve your okpa and enjoy it. Please do not eat it too hot, else you have running stomach. It purges when you eat it too hot. So that's why it's always dissected. So yes, it's okpa joko. You eat it hot, but not too hot. Okay. So now you can now serve it. Cut it this way. Let it get some air. You can eat like this. You can take with pap. You can take with gari. For me, I had this with some nice pap. So let me know if you'll be trying this. Don't forget to like this video and comment. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye. See you when next we'll see. I love you.